Question 25. If a triangle B equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, what is the value of 3 triangle 2 in brackets or parentheses triangle 5? So this is really sort of a functions question where we assume that if we put an a and the numbers in for a and a b, then we can work out what these are. We already know a and b, so it becomes substitution. I've written this out here for ease. We're going to start by substituting in that 3 and that 2. So therefore a equals 3 and b equals 2. So this becomes a squared, which is 3 squared, plus 2 multiplied by a, which is 3 multiplied by b, which is 2. Add to 2 squared. 9 plus 12 plus 4 equals 25. So 3 triangle 2 equals, if I just put it there, 25. Then what we've got to do is we've got to put this, which is 25, with this function, and then it's 5 here. So now our a equals 25, because we've calculated it here, and our b equals 2. So we substitute back in again. A is 25. 2 multiplied by a, multiplied by b, add b squared, which is 2 squared. No, it's not. We're to the power of 5. This is 5 just here. Let's do 5 there. Let's do 5 there. And let's do 5 here. Much better. If you can't do it off your top of your head, then by all means work it out. I did do that actually. 25 to the power of 2. I went actually, what's 5 to the power of 4? Because 25 is 5 multiplied by 5 all squared, which is 25 squared. That's how I got to that. This becomes 250. This becomes 25. And I add all those together. And I get 900, and that's the answer.